How to do NGL link on Instagram. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by launching your NGL application in your mobile device. Make sure you have connected your NGL with your Instagram. Now in here firstly, you have two methods. By selecting on copy your link, you'll have your profile link of your NGL. Now, to do the NGL link on your Instagram, just open up your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Tap on the story icon and create a story. Then, click on the sticker icon, select on the link option. By tapping on link, paste the link that you copied. Adjust the placement of it and select on your story. This is the first method. Second is to tap open your NGL once again and select on the share button. Click on next step. It will automatically redirect you to your Instagram story. Click on the sticker icon and select on link. Paste the link that you copied and overlay it right on top of it and add it as a story. Now, your Instagram followers can just tap on this link, which will open up a secret confession page. They can send you a message regarding, and that is how you can use your NGL link on Instagram. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.